हर कहानी एक याद बन जाती है और हर याद के पीछे होती है एक प्रेम कहानी।
You have been my biggest prayer, and this is the only thing I've prayed for so long, and it got answered.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं तर्ज शाह और आप देख रहे हैं एक ऐसा शो जो सिर्फ एक टॉक शो या पॉडकास्ट नहीं है। यहाँ हम मिलेंगे कुछ खास कपल से और सुनेंगे उनकी प्रेम कहानी। शायद उनकी कहानी में आपको आपकी कहानी का एक हिस्सा दिख जाए। In the sparkle of diamonds, you will find Naishal, the man behind HR Diamonds, a manufacturer, trader, exporter, and importer whose world is built on brilliance and precision. And then there is Mahek, a storyteller at heart with a degree in mass media from Mumbai. She has shaped her journey through HR, a Bangalore tech startup, and now works with London-based Oliver, weaving creativity into campaigns from the comfort of home. Together, they are a union of brilliance and imagination, of diamonds and dreams, of sharp edges and soft stories.
And he also confessed in a way कि मुझे पता है you're gonna say no, but I still want to tell you.
Mike, did you feel the same?
And I said exactly what he was expecting. I was like, no. He asked me almost every day, and it was no.
We are Gujarati, so one day mommy came and she said, "तूने तने मारी कसम से तने बोल तने कौन करने चाहिए?" I was like, "Mommy, don't do this."
A lot of people think I'm similar to Geet from Jab We Met.
Okay.
So they are like, so randomly she sent a meme and she was like, "I have a feeling Naishal is your Aditya." And that time we were just friends. I was like, "What are you saying?"
तो मैं घर आया और जैसे नॉर्मल रूटीन में फ्रेशन अप होने जाता हूँ और आई एंटर्ड माई रूम और मैंने देखा
All
तो
of us were in the room. And he's like, "How are you?"
we were all in the room with Mahek.
Sure. You should do the green flag. Went down on a knee at the Golden Temple.
Wow.
And I wanted to
So amazing.
propose
We were on
to
a
him.
trip with
My
her parents and just
yeah.
4 of us.
Yes, Naishal and Mahek, welcome to the show. आज हम प्रेम कहानी के नए एपिसोड में आपसे बातें करेंगे और आपकी प्रेम कहानी थोड़ी सी हम जानेंगे, समझेंगे कि क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, राइट? तो पहले तो कैसा लग रहा है लाइक बीइंग इन द शो?
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है ये सब सेटअप देख के और आपके साथ वन ऑफ आवर फेवरेट ह्यूमन बीइंग आई कैन से। तो बहुत ही वंडरफुल फीलिंग है। हम भी ऐसा कुछ पहली बार कर रहे तो वेरी एक्साइटिंग।
Yeah, it's very beautiful. I think बहुत अच्छे से सेटअप किया है and we are really excited. It's very new for us, so but hopefully we can give you all the candid answers.
Yeah, I am very pretty sure about it. What was the first time when both of you noticed each other? Like कब पहली बार आपने कुछ पता चला कि हाँ ऐसा कोई बंदा है या बंदी है?
सो आई थिंक ये दोनों अलग अलग इंसिडेंट है।
Yeah.
पहली बार जब हमने नोटिस किया था और पहली बार हमारा इंटरेक्शन हुआ था।
Okay.
सो नोटिस मैंने तो पहली बार किया था। इट वाज माय फ्रेंड हेल्ड एन इवेंट एंड ही हैड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ओवर। सडनली मुझे एक लड़की दिखी और मुझे पता है आई हैव अ वेरी विविड मेमोरी ऑफ दैट एंड शी वाज हर ऑफ कोर्स। शी वाज सिटिंग ऑन अ टेबल विद a couple of people. She was having dinner, I guess.
Right.
और मुझे याद है like at that point of time I did not know her existence. I did not know who was she to the guy who is my friend. एक बार मेरी महक के साथ भी बात हो रही थी कि मैं this was the first time that I had seen you and she wanted to test me. So उसने मुझे पूछा कि okay tell me what color I was wearing and in a friction of second I told her that you were wearing blue and
So
she
this
was also
10
very
years
shocked.
ago. I was 14 years old, and I also
Yeah.
I have a picture of myself. So I wanted to test that what color was I wearing to that event. And it was like blue. I was like shocked that you actually saw me because I didn't know because there were too many people.
Yeah.
But he remembered, and then when we spoke, uske baad like we spoke in 2020 for the first time. But this was like even 5 years before that.
Wow. Okay.
So that was the
Yeah.
first time he saw me. For me, it was a couple of years later. There was a concert my Masi had organized, और उसमें Naishal was one of the singers. and he
Wow.
sang really well.
Yeah.
And it was like I remember noticing whenever he asks me when did you see me at that time, I was like I keep telling him कि मैंने सिर्फ देखा, notice तो दूर की बात है. So yeah, this was a couple of years before we even spoke for the first time.
Wow.
Yeah.
तो नशर भाई, you noticed her, right?
Yeah.
तो नोटिस करने के बाद क्या, like what was the impression आपके ऊपर?
आई थिंक वो मोमेंट इतना रिमार्केबल था. उसका रीज़न है कि मैं सिर्फ अट्रैक्टेड नहीं था. लाइक ऑफकोर्स शी इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, नॉट बिकॉज आई मीन दैट्स नॉट द ओनली रीज़न दैट आई नोटिस्ड हर, बट उसके साथ उसमें बहुत ही एक चाइल्ड लाइक इनोसेंस है.
हाँ.
और आप अगर लोगों को देखोगे अराउंड हर, देन पीपल विल हैव स्माइल ऑन देयर फेस. लाइक दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल कि महक हो और उसके अराउंड जो भी लोग हो वो दे आर नॉट हैप्पी, दे आर नॉट स्माइलिंग.
Right.
सो वो बैंटर नहीं चल रहा, ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. सो इसकी ये जो पर्सनालिटी है उसके वजह से आई थिंक वो मैं नोटिस कर सका. और इतनी विविड मेमोरी मेरे पास अभी भी, वो फ्रेम मेरे माइंड में अभी
Still.
भी या
Wow. अच्छा.
एज्ड है.
पहली मुलाकात थी, इफ यू कैन रिमेम्बर, और ये सब जैसे कब स्टार्ट हुआ, कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ?
Came to know about her existence was the day and lockdown was announced, 25th March को. So it was a very random call. Mehak had called me late in the night. कुछ बात हो रही थी, हमारे कोई म्यूचुअल फ्रेंड्स है उनकी और महक के साथ.
And we were complete strangers. मुझे
Yeah.
कोई पता नहीं था who
Yeah.
National is and everything. So I was talking to my cousin and they are very tight friends. So
Yeah.
there was some conversation and they asked me to call National and ask him. So I was like, okay, I'll ask like what's the. So I just called him
Yeah.
and he was like, hello, who's this? So
I think I was asleep also. Then I took her call and I was like, okay, hi, hello, who are you? She said, I'm Mahek, but I want to know a few things about you. So basically ये हमारा first encounter था एक दूसरे के
Yeah.
साथ. बहुत ही random call से हमारी friendship start हुई.
Okay.
और since that day like मुझे पता था कि there is something special about her और बहुत अच्छे से हमारी friendship start हुई.
Yeah.
फ्रेंडशिप में कभी कुछ ऐसा अलग लगा, या डिड यू फील समथिंग महक कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, लाइक?
initially though there was nothing of that sort, at least from my side.
Yeah.
I think ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. We used to speak every day and I'm this person I wouldn't think of because friendship I just like to keep it that way because फिर सब messy हो
हाँ,
जाता है. तो
हाँ.
for me it was just friendship from the start.
व्हाट अबाउट यू?
पहले तो फ्रेंडशिप ही थी, पर उसकी एक बात थी जो उसकी चाइल्ड लाइक साइड है, जो उसने अभी तक शी हैज़ बीन एबल टू कीप इट अलाइव. और वो मुझे बहुत एक्साइटिंग लग रहा था कि इफ़ नथिंग एल्स बट आई वांट टू बी फ्रेंड्स विथ हर.
ओके, तो वो फ्रेंडशिप तो काफ़ी अच्छी डेवलप हो गई आप दोनों की, राइट?
Yeah.
फिर लाइक व्हाट वाज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप?
First conversation happened in 2020, तो almost 5.5 years हो गए. तो initially for the first 2 years it was only friendship. Later for National I think for an entire year उसको feelings थे, but उसने किसी को नहीं बताया.
वन डे आई रियलाइज दैट ओके नैशल यू आर इन लव. ये अभी आप एक्सेप्ट कर लो तो अच्छा है, क्योंकि मैं भी वो बिलीव नहीं कर पा रहा था कि वो क्या आई एम इन लव, बिकॉज मैंने भी उसको फ्रेंड्स की तरह ही देखा था. और मुझे ये भी पता था कि महक अगर वो फ्रेंडशिप है तो वो उसको फ्रेंडशिप की तरह ही देखेगी, नथिंग मोर देन दैट. मैं भी बहुत अफ्रेड था कि मुझे ये फ्रेंडशिप तो लूज़ नहीं करनी है. मैं महक को बता पाऊँ नहीं बता पाऊँ मुझे नहीं पता है, और मुझे आई डोंट वांट थिंग्स टू गो मैसी. एक दिन मम्मी ने मुझे सडनली आके पूछा कि वी आर गुजराती. सो वन डे मम्मी के एंड शी सेड शी कॉल्स मी सोनू. सोनू तने मारी कसम से तने बोली तने कौन गमे छे. आई वाज लाइक मम्मी डोंट डू दिस. देन आई हैड टू टेल हर दैट ओके देयर इज अ गर्ल महक है उसका नाम. एंड मेरा एक फ्रेंड है जो हमारा म्यूचुअल है, उसका कजिन भाई है, मेरा फ्रेंड है. सो उसकी बहन है और आई थिंक आई लाइक हर. देन शी सेड कि ओके टेक योर टाइम, कोई रश नहीं है, यू टेक योर टाइम, ट्राई टू टॉक टू हर, ट्राई टू एक्सप्रेस योर फीलिंग्स एंड देन सी व्हाट हैपेंस. आई वाज लाइक ओके. फिर भी मैंने तो 6 महीने लिए, 6 महीने से ऊपर हो गए, और मेरी फैमिली यहाँ पे मेरे को पूछे कि तूने
क्या
एटलीस्ट
हुआ?
बात
हाँ.
की
And I
कि
had no
नहीं.
idea throughout this
अच्छा,
while. उसकी
okay.
family
Yeah.
को 6 महीने से पता है. I had no idea what has happened.
ओके.
उन लोग को लग रहा था कि 6 महीने में एटलीस्ट उसने एक बार बोला होगा या तो कुछ
हाँ.
तो प्रोग्रेस हुआ होगा. बट मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोल पा रहा था. मैं इतना डरा हुआ था कि मुझे नहीं बोलना, मुझे
Right.
कुछ बिगाड़ना नहीं है, एटलीस्ट कुछ
Right.
हो ना हो.
करेक्ट.
या उसके बाद तो ये सब एफर्ट्स चालू थे. वो बेंगलोर में थी, मैं सूरत में. मेरी लाइफ में हम जो रूटीन लाइफ में हम बिजी थे, और मैं बोल रहा था उसको, ट्राई कर रहा था कि चलो मिलते हैं कुछ, उस बहाने में अगर मिले और कुछ बात
बोल
हो
सके,
सकते और
हाँ.
मैं उसको बोल सकूँ.
किसी ने आपको उस टाइम पे सपोर्ट किया या पुश किया हो या ऐसा?
सपोर्ट तो मैंने बोला वैसे फैमिली
Family
के
तो है,
साइड से था ही
हाँ।
सपोर्ट। मुझे याद है जब द डे आई फाइनली कुड एक्सप्रेस, उस दिन भी मैंने एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया था, वो समझ गई थी कि
अच्छा।
ओके
It took
ही
him 3
वांट्स टू
hours. हम
कन्फेस।
3 hours से ड्राइव पे थे. He's like we should meet and I was like okay out of nowhere क्या हुआ?
हाँ,
2 दिन पहले ही
हाँ,
हम मिले.
हम्म।
Actually उस 2 दिन पहले he wanted to confess but he couldn't, so he wanted to meet again. I had no idea. So 3 hours से we are on a drive. He's not saying. He's like I want to tell you something. I was like okay. And उसमें 3 hours हो गए. He didn't say anything. I was
wow.
like now it is like उसके बाद I felt कि okay अभी थोड़ा obvious हो रहा है.
हाँ.
It took me that long because
हाँ.
उसके लिए जो subtle hints थे मिलना और बात करना वो मेरे लिए बहुत normal था.
हाँ,
So I
exactly.
didn't take any hints. But उस दिन 3 hours he's like I want to tell you something but I'm not being able to tell you. I'm like ऐसा तो क्या ही हो सकता है. So I just took a
Yeah.
wild guess कि is it something like this. For me also it was like okay what do I ask him? So he's like yeah. So then I was like oh okay.
Okay.
Because I was
बहुत
completely
sweet moment
shocked.
था। उसने
Yeah.
मुझे पूछा उसके पहले, she asked me can I hold your hand? I was like of course
Because
why
he was
not?
all like
हाँ.
pure emotion. I was like क्या हो गया ऐसा तो. So I was like tell me जो भी है it's okay.
Yeah.
And he also confessed in a way कि मुझे पता है you're gonna say no, but I still want to tell you. I was like,
मुझे
okay.
ये तो जो एक चांस है वो तो मिस नहीं करना है,
हाँ.
मुझे सिर्फ बोल देना है।
हाँ.
आई नो इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ नो,
ऐसे ही
but
he
मुझे
said it
बोलना
in
है।
that way
अच्छा.
that I
मुझे
feel
पता
like
है.
it's true love and I feel this divine connect with you. But I know that you don't feel that way. तो तेरी तरफ से नहीं है. But I just want to let you know. I was like okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
eventually you told her like,
Yeah.
and then what was your?
And I said exactly what he was expecting. I was like, no. And I mean, not in a negative
didn't
way, in a
say
way
an
ki,
outright
listen,
no,
I
but
don't, I
yeah.
can't ruin our friendship at all. Like,
हाँ.
this is not happening. Please don't, like, let's just forget this happened and let's
हाँ.
go back to how we were and okay, we'll forget it. But then he's like, at least think about it.
Hmm.
So I was like, yeah, I'll take time and all that.
हाँ.
But
Okay.
I was quite sure. I was like, there's no way it can work out. And he's my best friend. I can't see him like that and all that. So I was like pretty sure. But I was like, okay, I'll take time. Just to pretend. I was like, yeah, I'll take time.
Okay, and then you were like talking normally and everything was.
We
pretty
were
normal?
talking normally only, but
Then he was subtly trying to convince. So उसका वो phase start हो गया था. And I was like, okay.
yeah.
Right.
Then also we met after a week.
Throughout that week, he kept like convincing. And I was like, I was sure that I'm going to say no. But then I was like, okay, let's just date. But no expectation. And then we can't lose this friendship at all. So let's just date for some time and then we can see if it's working.
Yeah.
Right.
So, and I also asked him to ask his parents ka permission if we can
Acha,
date. Because his parents were involved. And they might be expecting a yes or no. And there was no yes or no. It was a
Right,
no.
right,
But then we
right.
were open to dating.
ये
So I
बहुत
asked him.
thoughtful था
हाँ, actually.
of Mike to
Yeah.
ask me to take consent of my parents कि
Yeah.
अगर वो allow करते हैं, क्योंकि मुझे मेरे साइड से पता है कि it is going to be a no. Like even after I give you some
Yeah.
time और उसके बाद भी अगर no होता है तो फिर like
I don't
तुम
wanna waste
already
his
invested
time.
हो
हाँ,
emotionally,
हाँ, हाँ,
so it will be tougher for you.
Right, right.
So
right.
ये बहुत thoughtful था Mike के साइड से.
And that time, what was your family's reactions like?
They were supportive. उन्होंने बोला कि like we trust your choice, we trust कि तुम जो भी decision लोगे वो उसमें कोई गलत decision नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
So they were also okay with it. Then I said okay, my parents are also agreed that okay, we can take time, we can give it a
Yeah.
shot.
Right.
Then we took some time. Then we met I think on 15th August, 1 week after I confessed.
Yeah.
Acha.
And I said, let's date. But
Yeah.
I was like, 99% it's not going to work out. But just for you, because you see, like, because when he confessed, he was very emotional. He was like, I genuinely see this as like a lifelong thing. And I've never, I was like, we've not even dated up. How are you so sure about this working out? So I was like, he's my friend. And I'm also this person, I can't say no to anybody. I can't
Yeah.
break somebody's heart. So I was like, I'm risking my
Okay.
friendship, but let's just, try, like, see if it's working out because you are so sure.
So, okay, so that was no only.
Yeah,
But then
but
you started
giving him more time
Yeah.
and we started, because we were best friends, we knew everything about each other, but एक दूसरे को partners के जैसे नहीं देखा था. So I think that way we started spending
Yeah.
time.
So you started spending time with each other,
Yeah.
and then what happened? Like,
मुझे पता है उसने मुझे 3 months बोला था कि
अच्छा.
see 3 months
Because
is the
कितना
time
हाँ,
that
नहीं
you
तो-
can
yeah,
take.
it gets
True.
very
उसके
attachment
ऊपर हम
and
लेंगे
all.
तो तुम ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्टेड हो इमोशनली, बहुत ज़्यादा अटैच्ड हो जाओगे और फिर अगर नो
Right.
होगा तो इट विल बी वेरी
हाँ,
डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू
correct.
टू मूव ऑन.
right.
he hasn't slept in these 3 months. I just have to tell you, like for him it was just 3 months, and like
anyhow I have to convince her.
So he hasn't slept in these 3 months because we used to get time in the night only after
Night
he came
only.
from work to speak with each other, and we were doing long distance. We couldn't meet that often. So he hasn't slept. We used to speak just to get to know each other, and in that process, if you know it's making sense to both of us, like we discussed everything. Like as friends, of course, we discussed like all
Right,
frivolous
right,
things,
right.
but as partners we discussed like
More,
future goals,
uh-huh.
like everything, every little thing that you should know before
Right,
you
right.
you know think of somebody as a partner.
What happened after the 3 months?
Him, it was like date to marry, because there was no choice. Okay, we'll date and then we'll see if it.
Correct.
Of course, it was eventually
Ah.
going to turn into marriage.
Ah.
So I was 21 at that point, and for me, I hadn't thought of marriage.
Yeah.
Like I was
Right.
into my own thing.
Right,
So
right.
it was very new for me. So मेरे लिए बहुत ही अलग था. So I was like, sure. ऐसा नहीं that I don't like him, but I can't think of marriage and stuff. I've been friends with him for 4 years, so the comfort is unreal. Like we are like best buddies. कोई there's no layers or no masks, anything, which is the best part. And I felt like अगर पूरी life ऐसी हो पाए, like how we are as friends, and it was exactly like that when we were dating. It wasn't the typical dating. It was banter. It was
banter.
yeah, so it was great. So I was liking it, but then it was also the concern was marriage. So the best part was he was very open that okay, we'll take 2 years, we'll take time until you get ready to marry. So we'll take longer, but at least like I want you to be sure about it. So in this dating phase.
So you took 2 years, like we will just keep on talking and let's see.
No, I said so in this 3 months, at the end of 3 months, I kind of said yes to him. He asked me almost every day, and it was no. And suddenly one day, you know, I've just felt like, no, I'm just, beating around the bush. It's honestly, I really like him as a person,
Right,
and I'm
right.
just, it's just because I'm unsure about marriage and stuff is why I'm dodging this, which wasn't right. So I just felt like I like you, but this is my concern. So then, him and his family were like super supportive, and then we got like 2 years more of dating kind of situation
Right.
because they were open to giving it time.
Right.
Once I was sure.
Yes, so Naishal, finally, after 3 attempts, yes, मिला आपको. So what was the feeling like?
I don't think सिर्फ 3 अटैम्प्ट थे, बहुत सारे अटैम्प्ट्स थे, बट या ऑफ कोर्स वो येस बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल था मेरे लिए, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि इवन आफ्टर दैट येस फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई केप्ट आस्किंग मैं कि यू
Confirm?
जेन्युइनली सेड येस कि ये डेफिनेटली हो रहा है,
Yeah.
कि ऑफिशियल है, या तो फिर लाइक वी आर डेटिंग, वी आर गोइंग टू बी
He didn't believe.
या आई
The
कुडंट
day-
बिलीव
yeah, I
ओनली.
was like,
Acha.
is it yes? Actually, every day he was asking me for like almost a month. Ki, is it actually happening? Doesn't feel true. Is it actually like such में like forever वाला yes? It's like all that. I'm like yeah, bro, I'm sure.
सो आई टेल यू, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है उसने कैसे हाँ बोली. मैं वर्क से घर आता हूँ अराउंड 9 o'clock, 8:39. तो मैं ऑफिस से आ रहा था घर पे, एंड शी हैड कम होम 2 hours बैक मेरे टाइम से,
Wow.
जब मैं ऑफिस से घर आता हूँ. वो आई, उसने मम्मी के साथ वो थी, उसके उनको पहले बता दिया कि ओके आई एम हियर टू से येस टू नैशल.
Wow.
वो सब जानते थे घर पे. मम्मी ने पापा को ऑफिस पे बता दिया था कि शी हैज कम हियर टू से येस. दे
Okay.
न्यू
Because all of them were also so worried
knew.
on this waiting phase. For
हाँ.
them also, they were like, okay, Naishal really loves her, and
Yeah.
I don't know if she's gonna say yes or no. So जब the moment I got sure, I was like, पहले उसके parents को भी वो mind में
अच्छा
कितना
नहीं.
questions होगा. So I'll tell them, and then I'll surprise Naishal along with them. So it'll be very memorable for them because it's very
Yeah.
close to his parents.
Right.
Yeah, so at home everybody
Knew.
knew that it's a yes except for me until I was home.
Okay.
तो फिर मैं घर आया और जैसे नॉर्मल रूटीन में फ्रेशन अप होने जाता हूँ, और आई एंटर्ड माई रूम और मैंने देखा
All
तो
of us were in the room. And he's like, how are you
they
here?
were all in the room with
I'm
Mahek.
shocked.
Mahek
Wow.
was in center. एक साइड भाभी का हाथ पकड़ा हुआ था, एक साइड मम्मी का हाथ पकड़ा हुआ था.
I was
She
very
was also
nervous. It was very
nervous.
awkward for
Yeah.
me.
उनके रिएक्शंस देख के मुझे मुझे पता नहीं चला था, बट बहुत स्पेशल मोमेंट था. मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा शॉक था. आई कुडंट से अ वर्ड. देन दे ऑल मूव्ड आउट. हमको स्पेस दे के ओके नाउ यू टेक योर टाइम, जिसके लिए बहुत आई थिंक सालों से इंतजार कर रहा है. यू टेक योर टाइम.
This is your moment.
या आपका जो मोमेंट है वो यू ऑल
Right.
लिव. देन शी टोल्ड मी दैट इट्स अ येस. उसने सिर्फ इतना ही बताया, इट्स अ येस.
Wow.
और अभी भी मैं वो नहीं बिलीव कर पा रहा हूँ कि शी सेड येस.
सुपर. सो मैं फिर कभी भी आपको लाइक डाउट हुआ लाइक क्योंकि बहुत टाइम से ही वाज आस्किंग एंड यू वर सेइंग नो नो एंड देन मैंने सही तो किया है ना राइट?
No, I was very sure. Once I was sure, I was sure. In fact, मैंने उसको बहुत वेट करवाया, like you know, not just those 3 months, he couldn't sit for a year. And friendship
Right.
के time भी when you
Right.
know, when we were doing long distance friendship, after a while I used to not like pick his call up. I was busy in my life,
Right.
and I had no like I've made him wait a lot in life. So after saying yes, I was the first one to propose to him. So I
Wow.
took him out.
Yeah,
It was
nice.
a complete surprise. It was a birthday trip of mine. So उसको कोई doubt नहीं था मेरी birthday trip थी. And then I took him out and I wanted to propose to him because he has done so
That
much
too
when I
on
want to
her
be the
birthday.
first one to
Wow.
propose. And I
Yeah.
proposed at the Golden Temple.
Oh,
So it was
अच्छा.
very unexpected for him. Like
Yeah.
we were
Wow.
clicking,
बहुत unexpected
he
था.
was thinking it was a picture. My parents were clicking it, so it was very unexpected. And then I went down on a knee at the Golden Temple,
Wow, wow.
and I wanted to
Yeah.
So amazing.
like propose.
We were on
to
a
him.
trip with
My
her parents and just
yeah.
4 of us.
Yeah,
Oh.
this was right after like
हाँ,
saying
you
yes to
said
him.
yes. हाँ.
Yeah. उन्होंने मतलब पूरी फैमिली ने मिलके मेरे लिए ट्रिप क्या बोलते प्लान
But
की
he
थी.
had no doubt because मेरी
हाँ,
birthday
birthday
थी. So
Yeah.
yeah.
आफ्टर द रियलाइजेशन और आपने यस भी बोल दिया एंड नाउ पेरेंट्स की अगर हम बात करें तो लाइक एज यू सेड के आपके पेरेंट्स तो दे वर फुल्ली इन्वॉल्व एंड दे न्यू एवरीथिंग बट व्हाट अबाउट योर पेरेंट्स माइक
I think I'd like to answer
Yeah,
this question.
sure.
I believe कि मैं जितना मैं blessed हूँ for महक मैं उससे भी ज़्यादा blessed हूँ for the parents that I have now because of महक. उन लोग का इतना ज़्यादा support है throughout the journey even before we were like together. उस टाइम से महक shares every details about
Yeah, my
her
parents
life
are very
with-
cool.
with
Just a heads
her
up, they're
mom.
very
Achha.
cool. They know everything
Yeah.
about my life. There's never been any like I'm not scared of them or stuff like that. They're like my friends, so it's very chill. For him also, it was very new to see
Yeah.
that okay, this is the kind of relationship she shares with her parents. Like I told them about every bit in like detail about our
Yeah.
relationship. So he was also like, okay, these people know everything. So, but then once he got close to them, he used to talk more to them than I
Yeah.
used to.
Wow.
So
आज
it
भी
is-
मैं
yeah.
मम्मा को मैं उनको मतलब हम कभी भी एक दूसरे के पेरेंट्स को ऐसे नहीं एड्रेस करते कि तेरी मॉम या
Yeah.
मेरी मॉम हमने बोला है मतलब मेरी मम्मी को मम्मी बोलते हैं मम्मा को मम्मा
This is
बोलते
how we
अच्छा.
addressed
दैट इज हाउ वी
parents.
एड्रेस
Yeah.
आवर पेरेंट्स सो आई थिंक मम्मा के साथ में आज भी जितनी महक क्लोज है ऑफ कोर्स उतने जितना तो मैं नहीं होगा क्योंकि
बट
बचपन से शी हैज बीन विद
हाँ, हाँ.
बट मम्मा की साइड से आई कैन से कि वो जितने महक से क्लोज है उतने ही वो मेरे से क्लोज है
wow.
उन्होंने जितना महक को दिया है उससे ज़्यादा मुझे दिया हुआ है
वाओ
If things wouldn't have worked out for us, I'm pretty sure, I don't know about us, but my mom and him would have been
हम
best
तो-
friends for sure.
For sure.
So yeah, they have a very nice relationship, and even my entire family was super supportive from the start. They liked him,
Yeah.
even because we were friends for so long. They liked him as a friend in my life also, because girl parents are very protective about the
Yeah,
friends they
yeah,
make. But
correct.
he was the friend that my entire family loved
They were-
because he was like he is.
Yeah.
So
I can
yeah.
call her at any random hour. I can share anything with her. Instagram पे भी हम कुछ मतलब
अच्छा.
शेयर
Him
करते
and
हैं
my
एक
mama
दूसरे के
like
साथ
something
Amazing.
else.
टेक्स्ट करते हैं हम चैटिंग करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ
Wow.
इतना उनके साथ मेरा बॉन्ड बहुत ही ज़्यादा
वाओ अमेजिंग
Yeah.
दिस इज समथिंग वेरी न्यू फॉर मी
Yeah.
लाइक हमने कभी ऐसा नहीं सुना लाइक ये
Yeah.
सीन के हाँ जो ब्रदर है फॉर एग्जांपल आपके तो उसके साथ आपका
Bond.
बॉन्डिंग है तो
Yeah.
दैट इज
Yeah.
अंडरस्टेबल कि भाई हाँ ये होता है लेकिन विद मदर इन लॉ इट्स लाइक वेरी
That is why the wedding they both had a different dance because
हाँ,
they are,
हाँ,
that's the
अच्छा,
bond they
right,
share.
right,
They are very
right.
tight.
ओह अमेजिंग यस सो निशल भाई आपके फ्रेंड्स का क्या रिएक्शन था वंस दे गेट टू नो कि ओके महक इज नाउ यू नो यू आर गेटिंग अलोंग
सो मेरे कोई भी फ्रेंड्स ये नहीं जानते थे जब ये पूरा टाइम चल रहा था डेटिंग फेज में दे डिड नॉट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट अस
अच्छा ओके
But the day we told them that okay now this is official और महक said yes to me मैंने पहले जो मेरा एक फ्रेंड है जिसके साथ मैं टाइट हूँ उसका नाम दीप है मैंने उसको बताया था और वो in general also he is very enthusiastic so the moment he came to know he started dancing and started yelling at me सोनू डा मैंने केम नहीं की दू and all पिला
Yeah, because he was also shipping us. There were
Yeah.
actually a lot of people. Like my entire, all my cousins also knew him because of my cousin Prem's friend, as Prem's
right.
friend. So all of them used to ship us, and I was like, no, it's never happening. We're just friends and stuff. So
Yeah.
all of them were surprised that she has been denying it for 5 years, and it's now official. In fact, a lot of my friends also, my school friends who didn't know him that well, were like, why you guys not dating? Like, why you just friends with this guy? He seems like the
Yeah.
perfect guy for you. I was like, what are you saying? We're just friends. So all of them were really shocked that it actually happened and these guys didn't tell us anything about it. But then, yeah they were also very happy.
So ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जिन्होंने हमारे लिए मैनिफेस्ट किया था.
Yeah.
Wow.
So Deep was one of them. So I told him first.
I have this cousin, sister, my elder sister, and we have this conversation from 7-8 years back,
Yeah.
6-7 years back on
2018,
Instagram.
I guess.
And a lot of people think I'm similar to Geet from Jab We Met. So
Okay.
they are like, so randomly she sent a meme and she was like, I have a feeling Naishal is your Aditya.
Wow.
And that time we were just friends. I was like, what are you saying? Like
Oh,
out
wow.
of nowhere, how come Naishal?
Yeah.
And then 5 years later, when things got official, we still have the screenshot attached that
Oh.
okay, she said this 5 years back
Right.
and she kind of manifested this for
Ah.
us.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was quite cool.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So वो कहते हैं ना कि जब कोई चीज़ आप दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने में जुट जाती है. It was like something like that
Yeah.
with you guys.
Yeah.
Yes, तो ये तो हमें पता चला कि लाइक आप दोनों का काफ़ी सॉर्टेड है, लाइक यू नो कि आप दोनों का एक दूसरे के साथ बहुत ही कंपेटेबिलिटी काफ़ी मैच होती है. लेकिन कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि जो डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हुए हो एक दूसरे के, यू नो कुछ फाइट वाइट हुई हो, ऐसा कुछ?
हम बहुत लड़ते हैं like because we're best friends, not in a crazy way, but yeah, we fight and it's like a lot of people also think we're like siblings who fight and then you know they can't do with or without kind of
Yeah.
situation because we think very differently. Both of us
Okay.
have
Think
like,
very differently.
very
Okay.
differently.
अच्छा.
So that difference of opinion तो होता है, but I think Naishal most of the time listens to whatever I say. So I think that works for us. No, I'm just kidding. But I think
No,
we
that's
find a
fine.
middle way every time, and it's never it never like you know like people say never sleep to the like go to the bed.
I think at the
after
end,
an argument. So
अगर डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन भी हो तो हम रिस्पेक्ट कर लेते हैं
Yeah.
और दैट्स हाउ यू नो वी सॉर्ट थिंग्स आउट. क्योंकि ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं होगा कि कोई राइट है और कोई रॉन्ग है, दोनों राइट भी हो सकते
हो
हैं.
सकते हैं, right.
सो आफ्टर ऑल वी रिस्पेक्ट एंड वी लिसन टू ईच
yeah, but I have to give it to Naishal that because I think a certain way and mine is a very different perspective to most of the things. Naishal has kind of like changed his perspective a lot for me,
Wow.
which is something I think only people very rarely somebody can do that for somebody. Like he thinks like me now. He tries
Oh.
not like changes thinking, but he thinks it makes sense and
when
only then
it is
he-
related to us then I try to think.
yeah, because he trusts my
Instinct.
instinct and opinion,
Right.
and he feels that okay, I feel differently, but if Mahik is feeling so strongly about it, then I trust her, and which is
Yeah.
something I really respect.
Amazing, super. Fine. And now let's come to the wedding part, right?
Okay.
तो वेडिंग के प्लानिंग के टाइम पे कुछ ऐसा लाइक दोनों फैमिलीज भी मिलके सब कुछ प्लान हो रहा है एंड एवरीथिंग, तो वो टाइम पे कुछ ऐसे सिचुएशन कुछ एनीथिंग कुछ फनी हुआ हो या कुछ मिसकम्युनिकेशन हुआ हो या ऐसा कुछ?
My parents wanted our wedding like they wanted around at least 500 people to be there. हम
Like a
सबको
big fat
बुलाएंगे,
Indian
wedding.
पूरे कम्युनिटी को बुलाएंगे. इतने
Right.
हम सबकी weddings में जाते हैं तो हमें भी बुलाना
common
चाहिए.
argument.
Yeah,
But we were pretty against it कि हमें we were not against it, but हमारा opinion ये था कि हमें वही लोग चाहिए जो हमसे बहुत close हो, जिसके साथ हम हमारा डे एंजॉय कर सके और जो हमारे साथ हमारी खुशियों में इन्वॉल्व हो सके. फाइनली हमारे पेरेंट्स भी अग्री हुए
and I
हमारे
think a
साथ.
lot of credit goes to his elder brother because उनकी wedding में सब आ
Yeah.
गए थे, so we convinced them कि एक
कि एक
wedding
बार
में you
सबको
call
बुला लिया,
everybody,
इस बार
so
चलेगा.
now it's
Yeah.
fine, so that helped a lot.
Yeah.
मुझे आइडिया है कि आपने लाइक वन डे में आपने बहुत अच्छे से पूरे इवेंट को प्लान किया था, तो आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि कैसे एग्जैक्टली आपने ये पूरा प्लान आउट किया था ताकि जो नेक्स्ट कपल्स जो है जिनकी शादियाँ होने वाली है तो दे गॉट सम आइडियाज़ और इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम योर वेडिंग.
So the thing is कि since we just had a day, सब कुछ बहुत like cut to cut, like we were cutting close to the timing and everything. So things had to be planned, even the like in micro ways. So it was very important. So I just imagine all the things that will be required. And also I got a lot of help from people who got
Yeah.
married recently because they had also experienced.
We had support of people. हमने सब कुछ थोड़ा बहुत किसी किसी को डेलीगेट कर दिया था. I don't think ये सिंगल हैंडेडली पॉसिबल है
करेक्ट.
to you know run through everything. But आप आई थिंक अगर एक दिन में इवेंट इतनी सारी सक्सेसफुल हो सकी उसका क्रेडिट सभी को जाता है जो कोई भी इन्वॉल्व इसमें था हमारी वेडिंग में.
हाँ.
क्योंकि हर एक टाइम पे जब हम हमारे मोमेंट्स में थे they were looking after a certain responsibility that they were you know
Right.
given.
Right.
So I think अगर if you have your family, if you have your friends to as your
Back
backup,
you up, yeah.
हाँ.
तो
और
you don't have to
छोटी
worry.
wedding हो तो that's the best part
हाँ,
because
कि-
there's no formality. Everybody thinks it's their own wedding and they
right.
work like that, they help you like that. पता ही नहीं चलता like what people are doing behind your back and they're just sorting everything out for you because
ऐसी
all of them do
बहुत
it out of
सारी
love. Yeah.
डिफिकल्टीज आई भी हुई थी
हमें
जो
पता
हमें
भी नहीं
पोस्ट वेडिंग
है।
पता
अच्छा,
चली कि
ओह।
यहाँ पे ये कुछ मिसिंग था, ये मिसिंग था,
Okay.
बट जस्ट बिकॉज दे वर देयर उन लोग ने
And
ही
all the
मैनेज कर
invitees
लिया.
were family, so nobody makes a deal out of any
Yeah,
small
yeah.
issues. So that is the
Right.
best part. That is why we wanted an intimate wedding. Ki, you know, everybody feels like we can make everybody feel special and they can also feel involved like
Right.
उनकी घर की शादी है.
Right. Any particular hiccups if you feel कि हाँ ये हुआ था and then it sorted out very well?
We had written personalized letters to everybody.
Okay.
But I think the decor team or we don't exactly know. Like I said, we don't know a lot of things that happened. But it wasn't set up at the right time, and then it got a bit chaotic. A few of them didn't find their letters because we had written a personalized letter to every guest, like a personalized one. So
It
everybody
also
was looking
wasn't
forward.
at the place said at the place it was supposed to be.
and it had pictures, and it was something that we wanted to cover, like because a lot of people would feel different kind of emotions after reading them. But वो उसमें थोड़ा कुछ delay हो गया था. 90% of the people got their letters, so that was nice. But yeah, I think that was something we had worked really hard. एक guest के लिए we thought and written something, and it
Right.
was something we were looking forward to the most because they are doing so much for us. We wanted to give back something in our little ways. So
Yeah.
that was a little bit of hiccup, but then got sorted.
Yeah.
Yes. So Naishal and Mike, can you just give us some blueprint like how was the event was planned, like all the events in a day?
We are from Surat और wedding वापी में थी, अवध utopia. So हम कुछ we had planned to leave around 6 in the morning क्योंकि wedding और जो भी जो pre-wedding function था that had to start around 9. So we had enough time to reach there, but अगर लोगों को freshen up भी होना हो तो we had left around 6.
Right.
और फिर कुछ स्नैक्स के लिए भी हम रुके थे कि हॉल्ट लिया हुआ था, बट वी मैनेज टू रीच एट टाइम ऑल्सो एंड वी स्टार्टेड द इवेंट ऑल्सो आई थिंक ऑन
Pre-wedding
टाइम.
party,
या
yeah.
प्री वेडिंग पार्टी ऑन टाइम. वो कुछ चला था आई गेस 12 o'clock तक.
Yeah,
फिर-
which had all the dances of the family members. So like
Yeah.
whoever was close to us had all the
Right.
dedications. It had some speeches. It had
Yeah.
this letter idea that we had. So
Right,
all
right,
of those
right.
things that we wanted to cover, we took this event and like made the most of
ऑल्सो
it.
आई थिंक क्योंकि टाइम शॉर्ट था तो हमने इस तरह से संगीत भी प्लान किया था कि कुछ लोग प्री वेडिंग पार्टी में हैं उन लोग का वहाँ पे डांस होगा और कुछ लोग जो जैसे कि इमीडिएट
Immediate
फैमिली
family सिर्फ,
और कपल
yeah.
डांस हो तो वो
वो
पोस्ट वेडिंग होगा जो
post-wedding,
इवनिंग में जो
हाँ,
इवेंट
हाँ.
थी. सो एवरीबडी कुड डांस क्योंकि संगीत ऐसा एक इवेंट है
Can go
जिस
for hours.
yeah that can go for hours also and people are excited also about
Yeah,
it, their dance, their contribution in the
So
wedding.
there was excitement in the morning also, and then there
अच्छा.
was excitement in the evening
Night.
also for the
Yeah.
dances.
हाँ.
So 9 to 12 तक वो इवेंट थी. देन रेस्टिंग का भी टाइम मिल गया. देयर वाज इनफ टाइम टू गेट रेडी आल्सो फॉर द वेडिंग. देन बारात थी आई थिंक अराउंड 3:30 हमारी बारात. 3:30 टू अराउंड 4 हमारी बारात
Right.
शुरू हो गई. इट वाज आई थिंक 4:30 तक बारात भी चली. देन हमारे वेडिंग वाउस थे वो भी हमने बहुत
And thankfully we got the muhurat
Yeah.
at that time, and the lighting, since it was
हाँ.
open mein, we got the perfect
हाँ,
golden hour
हाँ,
lighting also.
right.
So I think that
Yeah,
worked
yeah,
really
yeah.
well. So
Absolutely.
like 4:30 to 6:30 the wedding
6:30.
was the ceremony got over, and then we had enough time to change and get ready and dress for the next event, which started at 8.
yeah.
So we reached around 8:30, and
Yeah.
that went on till 11. So it wasn't that hectic, but we managed to do everything in a day.
प्लानिंग प्रॉपर और आप
Exactly.
अगर
Yeah.
स्टार्ट आप अर्ली प्रॉपर ऑन टाइम कर दो तो आप कहीं भी
Everything, हाँ.
मिस्टेक्स
Yeah.
नहीं होंगे, एरर्स की रूम नहीं रहेगा उसके लिए.
राइट. यस नैशल एंड माइक, तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा कन्वर्जेशन हो रहा है. तो अभी थोड़ा सा हम लाइट करते हैं माहौल को.
Okay.
तो लेट्स प्ले अ गेम. ओके, सो देयर इज अ गेम कॉल्ड रेड फ्लैग ग्रीन फ्लैग. आपके पास 2 फ्लैग्स हैं, रेड है एक ग्रीन है. मैं यहाँ से एक स्टेटमेंट रीड करूंगा. इफ़ यू फील ये ग्रीन फ्लैग है, लाइक इट्स अ वैलिड स्टेटमेंट, यू कैन रेज अ ग्रीन फ्लैग, एंड इफ इट इज़ नॉट देन रेड फ्लैग. राइट. Okay, so first one, playing mini competitions over trivial things is part of a healthy relationship. Okay, yeah. Like आप दोनों ऐसा कुछ
Yeah,
करते
keep
हैं?
betting with him. He owes me a lot of money. I bet on money. I love
Even if
betting
I
with him.
don't agree कि मुझे नहीं लगानी bet, फिर भी वो bet तो लग गए because she
Because
said
I
okay. वो bet
Okay.
So
लग
when he
गई.
disagrees with me, I was like, okay, bet. And then he doesn't have to agree. It's a better. And
Okay.
I also decide the amount.
पर एक बार हुआ था, एक बार मैंने bet लगाई नहीं, उसी ने bet लगाई और मैंने बोला अगर ये मैं जीत गया तो अभी तक का सब कुछ नहीं,
नहीं।
और मैं जीत गया. अभी
He never
इसके
wins.
बाद मैं कभी bet नहीं
The
लगाऊंगा.
winning ratio of him is like like
1:10.
Yeah.
अच्छा, and then
Yeah.
okay.
पर वो बोलेगी तो फिर आंसर का
But
वेट
we
नहीं
do
करेगी, वो
keep
बैठ
playing.
Okay, लग गई.
But we love playing like games
Yeah.
and all of that.
हम
Like,
हम
it's
कभी
us.
भी राइड्स पे भी जाते हैं तब भी
Yeah.
हम कुछ ऐसी गेम्स खेलते हैं.
Yeah.
Mimicking your partner's quirks playfully.
I mimic him all the time.
या आई थिंक फन तो होना ही चाहिए रिलेशनशिप
हाँ, of
में,
course,
वरना
of
बहुत
course.
ज्यादा सीरियस हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
Right.
And I think none of us are kind of people that
Offended
get
also.
offended also.
हाँ,
कभी
yeah.
भी नहीं. Like
हाँ.
we can take jokes very well.
Pretending not to hear your partner just to tease them.
Nature does that.
जब तक
No, it's a
प्रिटेंस हो
green
तो इट्स फाइन,
हाँ.
Yeah.
डेलिबरेटली नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
हाँ. तो like कुछ चीज ऐसी है जो नहीं करनी है तो you are not
नहीं.
listening.
I
She gets
keep
annoyed sometimes.
about- I have an
It's
issue with him eating a lot of junk food and non-healthy food.
Yeah.
So when he does eat, and I keep telling him every day, then after a point he'll just like not listen to me.
Assuming a partner should read your mind is reasonable.
No, actually, I think communication is the key. It's
Yeah.
important to communicate. So assuming, I mean, if it happens organically, it's okay. But just wanting
Yeah.
and giving silent treatments, I
Silent
don't think
treatment is a red flag.
yeah, is a red flag.
Jealousy over harmless situation is justified.
I think cute jealousy.
Cute
is
jealousy is
fine.
But,
valid.
there's a
Cute
very
jealousy
thin
is valid.
line. So I think both of us know our
Yeah.
boundaries.
So who is more jealous, like out of?
I think I
Yeah, usually it's like
of
that.
course she
Yeah. I
gets
never get
so much
jealous.
attention, but वो कभी भी she does not pay it to any attention
Yeah.
that she gets, but still
हाँ.
I get more jealous.
Nature sometimes asks me why I'm not getting jealous. Get jealous. I was like, okay, I'll get jealous now.
Yeah, I also want her to get jealous thoda.
So that cute jealousy is okay.
Yeah. Small lies to avoid conflict.
I think lie is a lie.
Both of us are very
Yeah.
yeah.
No, I can see that. Like I know you people, so I can say
Yeah.
that you are like
Yeah.
very transparent and very
Yeah.
open to both of you. Prioritizing work or hobbies over spending time together.
You should do the green flag.
ये
No,
situational भी है, कभी अगर like
So
बहुत
he
ही
works very hard, which I have to give it to him. But then sometimes my love language is quality time. So
Yeah.
I get a little like sometimes I make a deal out of it that you're working on Saturdays, you're working till late hours.
I even used to work on Sundays.
Yeah,
Oh,
so it
that's
used to
so
get
nice.
on me. But I mean,
But now I don't even
you have to
take
find a
calls after I'm
middle.
home.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah, spending time is important, but of course working is important too. There's a middle ground that you need.
So it's fine. Like you are managing
Yeah, both
that
the
thing
things,
very well.
yeah.
Yes. So Nishal and Mike, it was very nice. I think काफ़ी अच्छा conversation हुआ और काफ़ी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हमें भी पता भी चली आप दोनों की. So it was good. So now we move to the another game. There is one more like similar sort of a game. Playing a game called He Said, She Said. तो यहाँ पे आपके पास दोनों के पास like आपके पास she said का कार्ड है and you are having he said का कार्ड. So I will read out a statement और आपको अगर लगता है कि Mahek is doing like this, so you can raise the
I have to
card,
raise.
and if Naishal is doing this, so
Yeah.
you can raise the card, right? So first one, the one who turns off the lights first.
I keep it on all the time. Everybody is telling
Yeah.
me constantly. And he obviously.
She keeps the
Yeah.
lights on, AC
Everything
on,
on.
fan on.
I forget. Like
Okay.
I zone out a lot in life, so that is why like I
Yeah.
will not realize that it's on and I leave.
Okay. So you are the one who,
Yeah, he's
after.
very careful
Yeah.
about mindful and all about.
Nice. Okay. The one who never finishes household chores.
You don't finish. I wrap everything. He helps me a lot with
Can't
household stuff, but I do the entire
Will I help
end
you?
to
Yeah?
end. He
I do
will
my
do the
thing.
interesting
I complete
part.
my thing.
No, but no. Yeah, he helps a lot, but I think between both of us, you
You have to
agree
agree.
to disagree.
The one who always has the TV remote.
Nobody. I don't
But
think we.
I decide what we'll watch.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
Like, this.
That's what she said.
Okay.
Like he doesn't watch a lot of content, so I decide whatever I've
Yeah.
watched, I'll show it to him, and that's how we figure.
The one who decides what to eat.
Because he'll have unhealthy choices.
Yeah,
so I
acha.
decide
Right.
let's have something relatively healthy.
Okay.
I keep asking her now that if that this thing is healthy. Can I eat this? What
Yeah,
is
even
like
when
that?
he's traveling abroad,
Yeah.
he'll ask me what to
Acha,
order.
what to order?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay. So yeah, that is the secret of your, like perfect. The one who talks but isn't heard.
I'm not heard. I have to raise this. इसमें इसकी गलती नहीं है. It's not that she does it deliberately, but she's very
You mean that you talk and I don't hear you?
yeah.
I
She's
think,
very zoned out. Like most of the time,
yeah,
she's
I
zoned
lose
out. So
that.
उसे पता ही नहीं चलेगा that I'm
My
talking.
attention
हाँ.
span is too
Yeah.
like low.
And then you
I-
are like, "के सुना है नहीं सुना
हाँ,
है?"
मैं वापस repeat करता
No, he
हूँ.
knows. Yeah, now he knows me, so he knows that she hasn't listened. I should repeat.
I'll repeat. Yeah.
Yeah. so I'll have
Oh,
to-
very sweet of you. The one who says, "You do it." Acha,
Yeah, big.
big ring. Okay, so like,
yeah. Like I love
Kaise?
bossing around him from the start
She's
of our
very
relationship.
bossy, and I love her being bossy also.
From the time we started dating, one of the new things that he discovered about me was that I am like this. He calls me
Gundi side.
Gundi. He thinks I'm this bossy person,
Yeah.
but it's fun.
right. Okay, the one whose smile makes the other forget everything. Oh wow.
No, you should not raise.
No, it's true.
No.
Like I can see that both of you like अब दोनों की
Yeah.
smiles काफी अच्छी है. Of course यार. So anything you want to say about it?
मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है that I have not seen people around her who are not, in a good mood.
Hmm.
Like if she has to be there, people are happy, they are in a good mood. और वो वहाँ से तो एक अच्छे मूड में या तो कुछ अच्छी सोच लेके अच्छे थॉट लेके ही वो रूम से बाहर निकलेंगे. अगर वो महक के साथ होंगे, if they are spending time with her, they have to have a good time.
Right. You want to say something, Mike, about his smile?
We had this conversation very recently. There are very few people जिनकी smile से you feel that it's so genuine. Like
Yeah.
because I feel it's a problem with this generation only because of the camera, the smiles get like
We pose, we don't
we
smile.
pose for the camera.
Yeah.
It doesn't come internally.
Naturally,
So I think we were discussing this recently, and for me, when we became friends, his smile was of course very genuine. It makes you feel like he's a real genuine person. With
Yeah.
with
And she
others,
only
right?
taught me how to smile.
Yeah, he with camera he was very conscious.
I was
initially.
very
He used to
conscious.
smile very differently.
Acha.
In real life, he used to smile like very organically and beautifully. So I used to tell him that you smile the way you smile in real life only.
So उसके बैग में एक फोटो है मेरा चाइल्डहुड का पिक्चर
Where he's smiling.
where I'm smiling like big
Yeah.
smile.
अच्छा.
Yeah, so she also likes that when I smile.
Acha, you
only.
I
keep
keep
in
it
your
in my
bag only.
wallet, yeah.
Wow.
A childhood
Acha.
picture of him because he
Oh.
was very like a happy child. So I have this
Yeah.
picture of him.
Wow. The one who hasn't changed post marriage.
Not changed.
Yeah.
She
He
has
has
always been
changed a
herself.
lot.
She
For
has
the
always
for
been herself.
For the
good.
good. हाँ.
Yeah.
She has also not changed for good only. Like I
Yeah,
didn't mean it in a
like-
wrong way, but she has always been her real. Like,
He has
Right.
changed. I
herself.
feel like a lot of people think after marriage girls have to adjust to the new thing. I think for me, he has adjusted more because he knew that
I don't agree.
I wasn't looking for.
I don't
No, it's true. I wasn't looking for marriage and everything. So this is a very new thing for me. So I think he's made a lot of adjustments for me in terms of his lifestyle, his जितने सालों तक how he was and now how he is just for me. So I think he has changed a lot.
मैंने बोला वैसे ही she has not changed for good only. Like she has always been this real person. So change करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं because I have liked her for this, for her, for this quality
Right.
of hers.
Right.
So I don't even want her to change. So
Right.
it's better if she doesn't change herself.
Yeah. The one who inspires confidence in the other. Both of you? Wow. Yeah.
I think for me, I may look confident, but I'm not. So, even in little ways, I think it works both the way.
Yeah, yeah.
First, he derives confidence from me. So when we're together, we're confident.
Okay.
Yeah.
So both of us are individually may not be as confident as we are when we are together
Yeah.
because we know we have this other person who's got us. So like, man mein there's this mental security ki okay, it's gonna be okay because we're together.
She's by my side.
Yeah,
So-
she'll cover it up. He'll back me up, so it'll be okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So I think that.
Goes mutually.
Yeah.
Right. The one who says 2 more minutes before getting ready.
Big time. He's always late. Now he's gotten really like before we
Yeah.
got married. I have this issue with people who are late. Even like
I was
because I
always
reach
late.
before time
Ah,
everywhere,
ah.
and he's late. He takes too long to get ready and all of that.
Oh, really?
So
Oh.
now he knows that Mahek will start feeling very. I start feeling very guilty if you have to show up somewhere. Even 2 minutes later, तो मुझे कुछ होने लगता है. और he now knows that Mahek will start feeling very weird, so he'll be on time now.
Yeah.
But initially, he had this issue of being late everywhere, and yeah, so that has changed also.
So he takes time to get ready.
Yeah, he takes a lot of time.
No,
to
I
get
don't
ready.
take time to get ready, but I'm a little, lethargic. I'm a lazy
Yeah,
person,
he
so I
does it very
take time. I do
slowly.
things
Yeah,
slowly.
he's very slow
That's why I take
getting-
time.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now थोड़ा सा जो मेरा फेवरेट पार्ट है ये, तो वाई ताज वीडियो फिल्म्स, लाइक आउट ऑफ ऑल द फोटोग्राफर्स वी हैव, क्यों आपने ताज वीडियो फिल्म्स को चुना आपके स्पेशल डे को कैप्चर करने के लिए?
I think for me, one of the most important thing about the wedding was the pictures, because you in that moment also कितना कुछ हो जाता है, you need to relive it also perfectly. It is so important, like one of the most important things I'll say. So I think it was important ever since I was a child, in fact, that I want like great pictures, videos. Every girl wants the wedding to be perfect like that. Actually got to know about Taj through our my cousin and his friend, because they had, and we also experienced it because we were at their wedding which happened just like a year apart. So we saw our own pictures which really looked nice. So we're like, we can go approach them and see. And then we met you on the first time we came to the office, and we were completely sure in the first go that we are going ahead with you. I think one of the most important things is pictures and videos again, because both of us are camera conscious, but at the same time we get good candid shots, and it was very important for the team to understand
Yeah.
what kind
What
of
you-
shots we need, because varna agar khali pose, if you had just made us pose, we would have not looked great. We are very like, we can't smile, we can't do a straight face, we can't
Yeah.
pose.
Yeah.
So we're like, how will we'll find a team who will do candid shots more, because that not many people do. But then we saw your work, we saw your work very closely, in fact, for the cousin's wedding, so we were quite sure. And when I spoke about my references, my ideas, and how you all reciprocated, and you had everything sorted with your team, everybody was allotted something. Even the team is very sweet, like everybody is approachable, they remember things that you mentioned. So I think we were quite sure from the get-go. Yeah.
So for me, I think we were given this assurance that whatever references that you give to Taj team, they will give all the justice to what you want, how you want your pictures to be, and they'll fulfill all your demands. And that was the only thing that mattered to us at that time, because
Right.
it was also, for us also, it was first time that we worked with you.
Yeah.
So ये जो assurance था वो हमारे लिए enough था कि okay, now we can go ahead with this team.
Right. कोई हिडन बिहाइंड द कैमरा मोमेंट कुछ ऐसा है जो कैप्चर नहीं हुआ है लेकिन शादी के दौरान, पर यू रिमेंबर दैट?
Luckily, everything is captured. Now that we have to think about it, genuinely most things are captured. There was nothing that I can think of, because we had the team so perfectly
Yeah.
sorted. Every time somebody was there with us. So
Right.
even if we are doing some giggling around and stuff, they were capturing that also. There was no, I can't think of a single moment that wasn't captured.
Yeah.
राइट राइट. नाउ लेट्स सी सम ऑफ द पिक्चर्स. कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं जो लाइक मुझे और हमारी टीम को काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं आउट ऑफ योर वेडिंग, और कुछ पिक्चर्स ऐसे भी है जो हमें देखने में मज़ा आएगा. तो लेट्स रिव्यू सम ऑफ द पिक्चर्स. Yes, so this was a very special moment, I know, for both of you. So, like, can you just tell us something about it? And I really like this picture, the emotions it carries with it.
Yeah. I think all of us, in fact, are very spiritually rooted, and this day was, of course, very special to us, and it became more special because the person I consider and my family considers our guru gave us time and spoke to us. So all of us got really emotional after speaking, because it was a very special call. I think there was nobody in that room who didn't have like tears in their eyes.
Okay, yeah. This one was like, as you said, very candid.
Yeah.
We at the wedding also we were like doing masti with each other
Yeah.
and cracking lame jokes with each other. So I think it was one of those moments where one of us must have said something funny, and we're like, okay.
Yeah, but it captured
Very beautifully
well.
captured, yeah. I think it's the one where I got teary about him.
हाँ,
When I
and,
was performing.
You are
When I was
performing and
performing.
हाँ.
I think it was a very beautiful shot. Took it like from the back, and he sang like some 10 songs for me. With every after every song he had something to say why that song, and it was so beautiful, unexpected completely, and it was a surprise for me also. Like I didn't know what was going to happen next. So I get very emotional if somebody like, because I don't feel like worthy. He was putting me up on a pedestal and like singing like like the lyrics and all was making me very emotional. So I think it was a very nice, beautiful
picture
moment.
captured,
Yeah.
So yeah, like, do you go to the gym or something like that?
Nasha, we should take this one.
No, because I don't go to the gym. That's why.
So we are very
She could lift
gender neutral people. So Nasha
Yeah.
had to lift me up for a lot of it. I was like, I can also lift you up. But it didn't look as romantic as it does when he does, but it was fun.
Yeah, it was very much fun. So yeah, it was like, are you saying somebody like
No,
take a picture?
no,
like,
no, no. I think
What was
somebody
that?
was taking a picture at from that angle, and I was telling Nashil that Nashil is taking up pictures of that. Like,
Yeah.
I think we should look at him or something.
Yeah, very candid moment.
Oh.
What was that?
No idea. Nashil?
She likes pestering me.
Yeah, I think that's Nashil's mother.
It's her in general.
Yeah.
Gundi energy. Like I was talking about
And you're like, why you are hiding your face while
during.
Because he was
Bond.
saying all nice things, and I feel very, I get very shy if somebody says like, because
Yeah.
I just feel very like, no, please don't say all this. Like, so it was that moment that, okay, I don't want to show my face. What he was saying really very, his vowels had like really sweet stuff, so I was feeling very shy.
like we really enjoyed capturing all these small moments from the wedding. Yes, so thank you very much Naishal and Mike. It was a very nice experience. हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप प्रेम कहानी के इस एपिसोड में आए और you really poured your heart out. तो काफ़ी deep conversations हुए, काफ़ी light moments भी we enjoyed. So it was like very complete experience we had, and I guess आपको भी मज़ा आया होगा.
I think हमें भी बहुत सारी चीज़, बहुत सारे moments starting from friendship to dating phase to wedding. We could also relive all those moments, and all thanks to you. Generally हम ऐसे
Yeah.
किसी से बात नहीं करते.
Like all these things are very like close to us,
Close
and
to our hearts.
And the story especially, like only our friends and family knows. But with Taj, after the wedding, the relationship has also been like
Yeah.
that. So it felt very
Right,
organic
right.
with you. So
Right.
yeah.
Yes, thank you for trusting us for this. And here is something small token of appreciation from Taj team and Monkey
Oh,
team.
sweet. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Yeah.
Thank you.
So this will also again, you will be able to relive those moments with this.
Yeah, sure.
It has a personalized thing. Wow. Then that's the thing that we're looking forward to the most.
Yeah.
Wow.
Right. Okay. So thank you very much
Thank
for
you
being in the
very
show.
much.
Thank you so much
you
for
so
having
much.
us.
Yes.